This made-for tap routine is to the song "Sign of the Times" by Harry Styles. It's an intermediate/beginning level tap routine. And this video is to music. So if you want to learn it, check out the link I have in the details below, which will take you to the tap tutorial breaking it down for you.
Stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. Welcome to the final show. Hope you're wearing your best clothes. You can't bribe the dawn on your way to the sky. You look pretty good down here, but you ain't really good.
This made-for tap routine is to Harry. As you saw in the video, I am temporarily living at a Airbnb studio apartment for a few weeks because if my visa is approved, I'll be moving to London for grad school. So I'm here temporarily, thus the setting that you find me in. List. I don't know what I'm saying. Actually found this song pretty difficult to choreograph to, but it was requested by one of you in the comments to one of my videos previously, so I wanted to make sure I fulfilled that. But yeah, it's not, I tend to pick different songs to choreograph tap dances to, so it was a struggle for me, but it was a good struggle. So hopefully you enjoyed